time you and I, we decide to give it another try, to let go all of the demons we did hide for too long, too deep inside. We give it a try. Now the tree sweating its raindrops on me, so unexpected it could not foresee. Thoughts came floating, they cried to be free. Fragments of how it could be, we could not foresee. Rain keeps pouring upon our soul, we drown into oblivion. I'm not afraid of the voices anymore, I'm only scared of what I become. What I'll become. In agony, I started to call out your name. Under the surface, the air lies to blame for making a mess, for driving me sane. Well, I need to get out of this rain. The air lies to blame. Oh, I know no one in his right mind can count all the stars in the sky. For you, I would give it a try, even if it took me all night. The stars in the sky. The rain keeps pouring upon our soul, we drown into oblivion. I'm not afraid of the voices anymore, I'm only scared of what I become. What I'll become. And I wait to see the downfall in your eyes, and I crave to hear the humming of your voice over and over again and again. The rain keeps pouring upon our soul, we drown into oblivion. I'm not afraid of the voices anymore, I'm only scared of what I become. The rain keeps pouring upon our souls, we drown into oblivion. I'm not afraid of the voices anymore, I'm only scared of what I become. What I've